Okay, so I'm going to review over your homework problems numbers 4 through 10. So what I've done here is I have put down number 4, which was v cubed plus 8v squared minus 19v minus 90 divided by v plus 9. So this right here is our dividend, and this right here is our divisor. So what we're going to do is we are going to get our solution by using synthetic division. And my first step is to take this positive 9 and change the sign. And we're going to make that a negative 9. Now, I'm going to check and see, do I need to annex any zeros? Well, here we see the largest power of our polynomial is 3. So therefore, I must have a 2, a 1, and then I have my constant. So I don't have to annex any zeros. So now we're going to take just the coefficients, 1, 8, negative 19, and negative 90. And then we'll just draw our line. So I'm going to bring down that 1. Then we're going to multiply negative 9 times 1 and to get negative 9. 8 minus 9 is negative 1. Negative 9 times negative 1 is positive 9. And negative 19 plus 9 is negative 10. And lastly, negative 9 times negative 10 is positive 90, which equals 0. So now we have to put our x's back in, or our v's, but we're going to drop a power. So v cubed minus 1 power would be v squared. So that would be 1v squared minus 1v minus 10. And to write it properly, v squared minus v minus 10 would be our solution to number 4. Okay, so now number 5, I'll just write it right here, which is x cubed plus 20x squared plus 95x minus 50, and I'll have to just put my divisor underneath. We're going to divide that by x plus 10. So you can write division with a division sign or with a fraction bar, same thing. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that positive 10, change the sign, and put it inside our little box. Then I'm going to ask myself, do I need to annex in zeros? Once again, we don't. So we're just going to take our coefficients of 1, 20, 95, and negative 50. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, so negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. And now we're going to bring down 10. And negative 10 times 10 is equal to negative 50. Okay, so, oh, no, sorry, negative 100. I had 50 on the brain. Negative 100, so we're going to bring down a negative 5. And lastly, negative 10 and negative 5 is positive 50, so that zeroes out. Drop your power, which would be x squared plus 10x minus 5. So answer x squared plus 10x minus 5 would be our solution. Okay, now moving on to number 6. We have x cubed minus 11x squared plus 14x minus 13 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so we're going to change our sign of our divisor, plop it in here, 3, 2, 1. So no annexing in zeros. 1, negative 11, 14, and negative 13. Draw your line, bring down your 1. 1 and 1 is 1. That would be a negative 10. 1 times negative 10 is negative 10, so that's going to equal positive 6. No, positive 4. Sorry. And then 1 times 4 is 4, and negative 13 plus 4 would be negative 9. So now we're going to drop a power. That's going to be 1x squared minus 10x plus 4, and then minus 9 over your divisor, x minus 1. So that would be our remainder. So there's your solution. Okay, now number 7, we have x cubed plus 13x squared plus 33x minus 67 divided by x plus 7. So now we're going to take that 7, put it in the box, take our coefficients. The because we did not, once again, have to annex any zeros. You may not have to on this worksheet. I'm beginning to think that. Okay, so now, draw our line. And negative 7 times 1 is negative 7, which is 6. Negative 7 times 6 would be negative 42. So that would be positive 9. And then lastly, negative 7, positive 9 is negative 63. So now we have a remainder of negative 79. I hope I'm doing these correctly without a calculator. Drop a power, x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 79 over x plus 7. Okay, so that is numbers 4 through 7.